Hi, welcome to the Culinary Institute of Canada. I'm Chef Stephen Hunter. Today we're making a halibut roulade. And we're going to make a scallop mousseline for the inside. First thing you want to do is just put your scallops in a food processor. A little salt, pepper, egg for binder, a little bit of cream to lighten it. We're going to scrape down the sides of the food processor to make sure it's all nice and smooth. So now we've got a nice, smooth, even scallop paste. Because it's a raw protein, as it cooks, it's going to act as a binder in the halibut fillet and hold it together. So to assemble our halibut roulade, we're just going to take a nice, this is a very nice thin fillet of halibut. You can also do this with sole. We're just going to take that, we're going to spread a little bit of the scallop mousseline over the fillet. Then we're going to roll our fillet, and we're going to tie it up with some butcher twine. And now we're going to poach our halibut in a nice vegetable stock with a little bit of white wine and lemon. Okay, these won't take long. Don't overcook them. It's only going to take about 5-7 minutes. Low heat. As soon as the fish is done, the scallop mousseline will be done as well. You just test it with a little skewer just to see. As soon as the fish is done, it's ready to go. When the halibut is cooked in the poaching water, we're just going to take it out, put it on a plate, tent it with a little bit of foil to keep it warm. Now we're ready to prepare the rest of the dish. Okay, we're ready to plate up our halibut. It's beautifully cooked. Today we're serving it with some prosciutto wrapped asparagus and baby red potatoes that are boiled and tossed in a little bit of herb olive oil. For the, also we're going to drizzle a little aioli on it as well. For the recipes for the asparagus and the aioli, see the links because we've got videos on those as well. We're going to drizzle it with a little bit of the aioli. And there we have it. It's our halibut roulade with the scallop mousseline. We've got our roasted asparagus and prosciutto, boiled baby red potatoes tossed with a little bit of herbed olive oil, a little bit of pea shoots on there for garnish, and a nice blood orange aioli.